Hello students,
Let's do oral activity.
listen carefully and repeat.
Oral activity. Learn counting in words. 6 S-I-X 6 pairs. 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 strawberries. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 pineapples. 9 N-I-N-E 9 bananas. 10 T-E-N 10 coconuts.
Happy learning!